Hi Shinan, how are you?
I'm good, how are you?
I'm good. So from how long you are working in Andyco?
It's been 3 months.
How do you find this software, Marg ERP?
So far, excellent, I love it. Like, it's fast comparatively, I haven't used other software, but I like it. Security wise and the rest, it's very good. Like, it alerts you, like when you're making a purchase or sales entry, it alerts you when you hit a price which is lower to the price which is hit. And it helps to know the expiry date. Like, you don't have to check your stock again and again. Like, you get it directly here, like automatically. You don't have to like use so much of power to go back and check. Like, it's so far the best.
How much rating you will give to Marg?
10 on 10.
How many days of training you took to learn this software?
1 day.
In 1 day only you learned this
One day
software.
only. I was ready to use the software.
So how fast Marg software is as compared to others?
It's very fast. It's like if you compare it to, it's faster than.
Okay.
It's really fast and it's easy to learn. You don't need a lot of training to learn Marg.
So what things you are managing in this software?
This software, it helps us to track our customers,
Okay.
to know how much they're buying from us, and the period also. It helps us to limit our creditors.
Okay.
Like, the ones with the customers we give on credit, we can set a limit for them.
Okay.
So it's really good. Like, you get to know how much you're demanding your customer and all that. The other thing is it can help us to reward our customers as well, because we get to know how much a customer has paid in a month or in a year, depending on how you want to reward them.